Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Soundstripe music into Premiere projects, full guide step by step clearly. To download Soundstripe music into your Premiere projects, start by navigating to the Soundstripe website. Log into your Soundstripe account using your credentials. Once logged in, browse through the music library to find the track you want to use in your project. When you find a track you like, click on it to access its details. On the track detail page, you'll see options for previewing the song. Take a moment to listen to the track to ensure it fits your project needs. After confirming, look for the download button on the same page. Click the download button to obtain the music file. Choose the desired file format if prompted, usually in WAV or MP3. The download will begin, and the file will be saved to your device. Next, open Adobe Premiere Pro. Import the downloaded music file into your Premiere project. To do this, navigate to the Media Browser or Project panel. Right-click in the panel and select Import or simply drag and drop the music file. Locate the downloaded music file in your device's File Explorer. Select the file and click Open to import it into your project. Once imported, the track will appear in your project panel. Drag the music track onto the timeline where you want it to start playing. Adjust the length and position of the music track as needed. Use the editing tools in Premiere to fine-tune the audio levels. Preview your project to ensure the music complements your visuals. Once satisfied, save your project to finalize your work. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.